So today we have a foot massager and foot scrubber. It's perfect for those people who have trouble kind of bending down and wanting to ease the pain a little bit. And so here you just put your feet on it and you scrub it. So here's the actual foot scrubber itself. It's blue and on the bottom it has suction, so you can use it in the shower and scrub your feet on there so you don't have to wash them. And it also comes with a little kind of sandpaper to scrub the bottoms of your feet, specifically the heels, because that's where a lot of calluses show up, so that's very convenient. And yeah, it has little scrubbers on top and bottom. And here we actually have a little hook to put on the shower. It's very long and it has kind of little bumps, and it also has little spikes. And so you could kind of use this and scrub it along your back. Here, all you would have to do is put it against your back, probably like this, and we'll put it straight and just scrub your back with this in the shower. Very convenient. As for the other side, you could do the same thing as well. This one's a little bit more gentle. So on here, all you have to do is insert your foot, and usually you would have soap and water and you would just be able to like scrub your own feet. And as for the callus thing, you could scrub your feet on that as well, and it will take off your calluses.